Hi there. The Solaxe system is a tree training system that was developed by the French and is used all over the world with great success. The Solaxe system was developed according to the bearing habits of regular bearing apple cultivars and has revolutionized the industry. Let's have a look at the way that a tree is trained to the Solaxe shape. A tree that has been trained to the Solaxe system consists of a very strong central leader and 18 to 22 bearing branches that are spread around the tree on which the fruit will grow. Apart from the structural branches, the central leader is kept free of all other growth. The first 40 centimeters from the central leader of each structural branch is also kept free of growth. This creates a chimney down the center of the tree that allows light to penetrate through the middle of the tree. The Solaxe branches are trained downward at an angle that is just below the horizontal. This will slow their growth and make them fruitful and reproductive. This is done by attaching string to the branch and securing the other end to the base of the tree. The string should never be put around the trunk of the tree. Ideally, one should bend these branches at the beginning of the second year of growth. The central leader should remain dominant. It's important for it to reach the desired height as soon as possible. The height of each tree is determined by the spacing of the trees. On the Solaxe branch, remove any strong competition to the branch that is more than 1/3 of its thickness. One removes all forks off the Solaxe branch. Never head back into the Solaxe branch, as this will stimulate new shoot growth. Vigorous shoot growth is not wanted. With the Solaxe system, only thinning cuts are made to remove branches from the structural limb or the central leader.
Any shoot thicker than 1/3 the thickness of the structural limb must be removed with a 2 centimeter toppy cut. Back to a fat reproductive bud. Back to a fat reproductive bud, back to a fat reproductive bud. That thing can come out, that one can go back to there, and that branch is pruned.
Once the Solaxe system is established in the tree, there is very little pruning to do. It's important to fill the bearing area allocated to the tree before putting the first crop on the tree. If the tree is cropped too early, the tree will never fill the bearing area allocated to it. It tends to stay at the smaller size that it had reached when it bore fruit for the first time. Usually in South Africa, the tree will bear a substantial crop in year 4. All of our pruning programs are there to give the general theory related to the pruning activity. Please adapt the information to your own situation and speak to a consultant to advise you in your orchard if you have further queries.